working on a 2003 Mercedes CLK320, doing an alternator on it. I already pulled the alternator, but pretty simple to walk through this. You got disconnect your battery first off, and then you got two E14 Torx, inverted Torx. You got a bolt there, and then the bottom bolt is right under that hose, is where that is. It also has this bracket that holds that hose in place that'll come off with the bolt. So yeah, just get the tension off the belt. The tensioner is right there. I still have my bar on it, but it's a 17 millimeter. It is, you can kind of see it right there, right on the tensioner, right below the pulley, the tensioner pulley itself. Yeah, super easy to pull that off. Draw you a diagram of the belt if you don't have that. But yeah, pull those bolts. The alternator has the main wire 13 millimeter nut that goes right on that stud, and then a plug-in little tab you push in, it pulls right off. But yeah, pretty straightforward. You can wiggle the alternator right out the hole. You don't have to get rid of the gearbox or anything. But yeah, easy enough. Thanks for watching.